We have a short vehicle-specific repair to do today. The cloth welt cord on a Denali. So as you can imagine, a cloth welt cord receives a lot of abuse when you slide out of this leather seat. Our friend Gary asked me what I was doing with these, but he had seen this damage way before I did, and he suggested that he was finding good success with the clear flex gel as the adhesive of choice here. And as I proceeded to do several repairs, I think he's right. So after trimming it down and protecting the leather, I'm just wetting the remnants of the welt cord with some clear flex gel, which is a thick, flexible version of super glue. I can tamp the cloth fibers from the side into the super glue. And then I have some leftover dark velour colors, which I'm sprinkling over top of the glue. We don't want to use an accelerator. We want this to cure in due time, in its own time. And we have plenty of working time here to tamp our fibers into the gel. Normally we wouldn't use a super glue gel with the velour fibers, but here extreme situations require extreme measures. Now, since the welt cord is a woven combination of dark and lighter fibers, I am doing the same thing with my fiber mixture, mixing the darker ebony with a lighter color. And hopefully we'll have a speckled top coat that will resemble quite closely then the original. Now for me, one of the most important steps is to sand this first application with 220. Create for yourself a nice smooth palette. And then I'm remasking just to make sure that none of the super glue is holding the masking tape down. Just so we have a fresh, clean mask. For extra durability here, I am using a more rigid clear lacquer adhesive and flocking into it. One more application of the clear lacquer will keep it in place. From all the way over here, I was hearing you screaming, "Rick, you missed a spot." Okay, thank you for that. I'll go ahead and take care of it. Now where the leather is worn, I'm going to bring it up to speed a little bit initially here, just using a brush. Of course, one of our considerations is the fact that we have the white contrast color welt cord to work around. So getting these spots up to speed first is going to be helpful. That way, when we take our gun, we can put a light mist of color. We don't have to mask. We can use a Bondo spreader for purposes of masking. And just get a light mist to even out the appearance. We can use the Bondo spreader here over the stitching to protect it too, just blending our top coat a bit. And that's all there is to this repair. Don't forget to use the 220 sandpaper after your initial application. You'll be glad you did. Now, the next repair of the day was to repair over what someone else had done. Why not strain the paint first so it's not speckled? Why not make the repair flat? Why not texture the repair? And why do you need so much overspray everywhere? So we tidied it up a little bit. Let this be a preview of future videos to come describing the current state of our business. Thank you for watching.